English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun, 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. Listen carefully to the conversation. Don't repeat yet. Just listen and understand.
Hey, Jake, why do you look so stressed?
I just missed the bus to work.
Oh, no. What happened?
I woke up late, and when I got to the stop, the bus was already gone.
That's annoying. Are you going to be late?
Yes, probably. The next bus comes in 20 minutes.
You should call your boss and let him know.
You're right. I don't want him to think I'm careless.
Don't worry. Everyone is late sometimes.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation. Vocabulary.
Missed the bus. You arrived too late and the bus already left. Examples. I missed the bus this morning. She missed the bus and had to walk. Jake missed the bus to work.
Dad, we missed the bus. Can you give me a ride to school?
Do you remember that time when the three of us missed the bus and had to run after it?
Maybe you should have just missed the bus. Maybe.
Stressed. Feeling worried or nervous. Examples. He looks stressed before exams. Don't be stressed. Everything will be okay. Jake felt stressed because he was late.
This is what you auto when you're stressed. Are you stressed, Bryce?
Yeah, well, between...
I'm pretty stressed out, and Andrew is more stressed out.
Brian has been stressed upon stressed upon stress.
Careless. Not careful, making mistakes easily. Examples. He is careless with his time. Don't be careless at work. Jake didn't want his boss to think he was careless.
Not my usual careless self, as you'd like to think of me.
I never used the word careless.
Careless with Torah.
Careless squawks cost lives.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Hey, Jake, why do you look so stressed?
I just missed the bus to work. Did Anna ask Jake why he looked stressed?
Yes, she did. She asked him why he looked stressed.
Why did Jake look stressed?
Because he missed the bus to work. He looked stressed because he missed the bus.
Did Jake miss the bus to school?
No, he didn't. He missed the bus to work. Oh, no. What happened?
I woke up late, and when I got to the stop, the bus was already gone. What happened to Jake in the morning?
He woke up late. He woke up late in the morning.
Was the bus still at the stop when Jake arrived?
No, it wasn't. The bus was already gone. That's annoying. Are you going to be late?
Yes, probably. The next bus comes in 20 minutes. Did Anna think the situation was annoying?
Yes, she did. She said it was annoying.
Is Jake going to be late for work?
Yes, probably. He is probably going to be late.
When does the next bus come?
In 20 minutes. The next bus comes in 20 minutes. You should call your boss and let him know.
You're right. I don't want him to think I'm careless.
Don't worry. Everyone is late sometimes.
What did Anna suggest Jake should do?
She suggested that he should call his boss.
Why should Jake call his boss?
So his boss knows. He doesn't want his boss to think he is careless.
Did Jake agree with Anna?
Yes, he did. He said she was right.
What did Anna say at the end?
She said everyone is late sometimes.
Great job! Keep answering out loud. Your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Hey, Jake, why do you look so stressed? Oh, no. What happened? That's annoying. Are you going to be late? You should call your boss and let him know. Don't worry. Everyone is late sometimes.
I just missed the bus to work. I woke up late, and when I got to the stop, the bus was already gone. Yes, probably. The next bus comes in 20 minutes. You're right. I don't want him to think I'm careless.
Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.